Hi, I'm Terry Tucker, author of Sustainable Excellence, 10 Principles to Leading Your Uncommon and Extraordinary Life. Welcome to another edition of Sustainable Excellence Extras. Today, I'd like to talk with you about how effective supervisors take time to think about a solution before implementing it to solve a problem. For most of us, doing what comes naturally is not always the best way to get the results we want, especially when dealing with people. In most cases, it pays to have some second thoughts. Your first thought may be the way you would instinctively handle the situation, but it isn't necessarily the best way. For example, when you are analyzing what's wrong with a situation that causes a lot of problems, you might conclude that most of the difficulty stems from just one person. That one person has the wrong attitude and it ought to be changed. But wait a minute, changing people's attitudes isn't easy, even when they happen to be dead wrong. Those convinced to change against their will still hold their opinions. So before you start working on the difficult problem of changing anyone, give it a second thought. Is there any other answer? Can you change the situation slightly and avoid the problem without forcing anyone to change his or her opinion or method of doing business? Too many bosses jump into action once they have identified a person or persons who are responsible for a difficult situation. They immediately tackle the problem by trying to force those people to change their methods, even their personality. And that isn't easy. Before you try to change people or the way they operate, take a second look. Isn't there some way you could change the situation that would eliminate some of the difficulty without creating resentment or hurting anyone's feelings? Before smart leaders head into major problems, they re-examine the possibilities to be sure there isn't an easier or better way out. Leave me a comment about your thoughts on how you handle people problems or situations that may arise in your organization. Do you spend time thinking about a solution that works for everyone's benefit, or do you fix the problem the way you think best, regardless of who may be impacted or have their feelings hurt? Also, please head over to motivationalcheck.com to get your daily dose of inspiration and motivation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.